Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I brought you a new video on how to apply for federal fire service by yourself without going to cafe or paying someone to apply for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Head to your Chrome browser or any browser at your disposal. And then search Federal Fire Service Recruitment. You can also find the link in the description of this video. After you type, then click on search. Scroll down a bit. This is the portal link here. It is the third when you search Federal Fire Service Recruitment on Google. This is the portal. Scroll down and then click on Apply. In the first three fields, type your full name, starting with your first name, middle name, and last name. Just input your full name as it is by filling the fields. The next step is position. You need to be careful here because you might apply for wrong position with your qualifications. So as for those applying with BSc and HID, you can go ahead and choose Compass 8. As indicated, Compass 7 is only for nurses. If you are applying with your national diploma, then Compass 6 is for you. Compass 4 is for those with SSCA, but this option was added recently. If you have SSCA, WACI, or NECO, you can apply for any of the compasses, either 3 or 4. But for driver and mechanics, you must have the skills before you apply. In my case, my qualification is Bachelor in Engineering. So I will go ahead and choose Compass 8. Type 5 in your active email here. Phone number here. And then create a strong password, which you cannot forget because you need to log in to see if you are shortlisted or not, so keep your details safe. Well, your password needs to have uppercase, which is capital letter, and then lowercase, which is small letter, numbers, and then special character. After you fill this section, then click on Continue. So an ID is generated to me, as you can see it here. You need to screenshot or copy it somewhere safe because you will need it when you're logging into the portal again. Here's my full name. Just go ahead and input your home address, state of origin, and local government. WhatsApp number is optional, you can skip it. Your height and chest height are also optional. But if you have your measurement, go ahead and put them. For the date of birth, you need to click first select year, then click and select month and finally date. Type your NIN here. Here you will upload your passport photo. It should be less than 80 kilobyte. I will make a video on how to reduce photo sizes, so subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified when I upload the video. Next step is your primary school and secondary school information. You type your primary school name, location of the school, then the type of certificate obtained. Here, select the year you begin your primary school and the year you graduated from the primary school. Then click on Save and Continue. In this step, you are required to provide your secondary school name, type of exams, WACA SSEA or NECO SSICO, and then the year the certificate obtained. Then click on Save and Continue. In this section, you will provide your WAITS or NECO subjects and grades. English and mathematics must be included. Add at least 6 subjects and grades. After you finish updating, then click on Done. You can go ahead and add your NECO here if you failed English or mathematics in your WAK. If you are okay, then click on Continue to Higher Education. For those applying with secondary school, just scroll up and click on Summary and then submit your application. Please, if you are applying with secondary school, are not supposed to come to this step. Just click on the category of institution and choose from the list. Then select your institution name. Type in the course you study. Type of the qualification HND and BSc. Can choose degree, then NCA and diploma should be choosing diploma certificate. Here you can select your degree type Bachelor of Science, IOND, and D, and etc. Then choose the year you graduated. And finally click on Save and Continue. Review the application for any error. If you okay, then go ahead and click on Submit. And final, go ahead and print your application form. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. See you soon.